Experiencing issues connecting your AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. Since their release, some users have encountered intermittent connectivity problems despite Bluetooth 6.0 integration. This section focuses on the core solution, resetting and repairing your devices. The first step involves resetting your AirPods Pro 3. Place both AirPods in their charging case, close the lid, and wait 30 seconds. Then, open the lid and locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button until the status light flashes white. This clears any temporary data or corrupted connections stored in the AirPods. If you still have connectivity problems, move on to the next section about forgetting the device. If resetting doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to forget the AirPods Pro 3 from your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. This removes the existing Bluetooth bond, often resolving deeper cache issues or conflicts with other paired devices. To do this, go to Settings Bluetooth on your iPhone 17. Locate your AirPods Pro 3 in the list of devices. Tap the eye icon next to their name, then select Forget this device. Confirm your choice. Next, with the AirPods Pro 3 in their charging case and the lid open, bring them close to your iPhone. Your iPhone should detect the AirPods and display a pairing prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to re-establish the connection. This process creates a fresh Bluetooth connection, resolving many persistent issues. If problems persist, consider checking for software updates on both your iPhone and AirPods, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems.